somewhere new, somewhere different, and it's dark out. We are here going to be watching a Christmas boat parade, and it's going to come around the lake. I think you can see the flashing light. I believe that's the beginning of it, but it's going to come around and come from this way close to us, so we'll be able to see it here shortly as soon as it turns around and comes back. So we figured this is the first video for my hometown Christmas events to show you, and so why not make this the first night? While we're waiting for the boats to come around still, I just wanted to say hi to Mackenzie. Mackenzie is Alicia's daughter. I went to California with them, and I guess she's been watching the videos and saying my name clear as day. So Mackenzie, hi sweetie. Grandma Tammy loves you. Somebody showed up a little late over here, so everybody's cheering him on to get him in the water because the parade is just starting now. There's the first. There's Santa in a boat. Golly gee. That's a floaty, blow-up Santa in there. Yeah. White and blue. I like that one. You guys have to watch and see if you can pick out like your favorite. Mine so far was seeing Santa, but I've seen some pretty cool ones. This is a lot of fun. Uh-oh, look at this one. It's got a Santa, it's got a snowman, and I think those are penguins. I think those are penguins. Oh, wait a minute. There. Look at right there. Santa Claus, snowman, and penguins. I'm pretty sure that was penguins. And maybe a gingerbread man? I'm not sure. This one is for least work done. That one looks like, is that Santa on that boat too? Looks like it. Okay, wait till you see this next one. I think this is my favorite. Wait for it. Wait for it. How freaking awesome is that? Yeah, look at how awesome that is. Very cool. I found my winner. I like the moving lights on it. Little tiny boat. Alright, that one's got a Santa on it. This one looks like Santa on there too, so we got another Santa. Yeah, that's a Santa, isn't it? Uh-oh, somebody's rocking. Okay, that one's rocking there. No more music. Nobody's rocking now. A few more little boats. Look at that one's got reindeer right in front. Couple more little boats. Our late arrivals over here, and they're just getting in the water now, and the parade's not done, because there's more coming. I love this next one coming up. There it is. That's the one I like. That's the reason for the season. But we have more boats coming. Yay. Another Santa. Santa from Atlanta. No, Santa from Mark. Never mind. You didn't want to hear it. There's another Santa. our 10th Santa of the parade. Yay! Boy, Santa's busy, jumping from boat to boat. I got people dancing. I can see on the video, but when I'm not looking on the video, it's hard for me to see. We still got a few more boats to go. Right at the end, somebody's letting off some fireworks.